sa inyo mga arms. Andito na naman ako meron na naman akong lakad. Meron na naman ako ulit papakita sa inyo. Okay, we are now. Yes. It's a short long video only. We are now here again. We came both together. We are now here in the exclusive pool resorts near in our home. Here we can.
Taking it easy, just
You know this Greg? I met before. Okay. Greg.
my grandkids gonna like this. Hey Tony.
Hi Tony. This is my best friend here, my friend in Philippines. I have to say, if I say Greg, wapo ko, just say wakoy labo.
Say what?
Say wakoy labo.
Wake, lake, wako.
No, if I say wapo ko, just say wakoy labo.
I can't say that shit.
Wa
What?
koy
Koi,
labo.
labo.
Okay, again.
Wako, lake, babo.
Wakoy labo.
Wako.
Guapo ko, you say wakoy labot.
Wako, labo.
You know now? Oh, you see? Alam niya na mag-Bisaya. Bye-bye. I also get again to upload this video. We are now here in the exclusive pool near in the Turil, Davao City area. We are now both my friends here. Okay. Wala. Okay, Greg, just stand for a while. Just stand. Oh, tignan nyo. Sobrang, yung sinabi ko 6'4". Para lang akong bata sa kanya, oh. You see? Alright. He's so tall now, you know? He's 6'4". Okay, thank you, Greg.
Okay.
Thank you.
They think I'm a giant here, Tony.
Alright. Hi, Tony. Thank you for your father is so funny also. Okay. This is also my friend. He wants to know. Thank you. Alright. Sige, bye-bye mga arms. Hindi ko pa ito ma-upload ngayon, kasi beta lang ako. Hirapan masyado ako, Angawan ni, Sige na, bye-bye na,